and I'm just trying to see the truth. Your brain knows before you do. Okay, shall we do more questions like this? All right, 1 second. Honestly, safely. 1 second. Let me complete before you respond. Answer honestly or answer safely. What would you choose? Okay. Thomas, why did you choose honestly? Okay, Thomas doesn't want to respond, I guess. Okay, next question. Oh, these are about so basically we are testing that our brain knows certain answers even before we think, right? Our brain instinctively chooses certain things without filtering, which shows our psychological behavior. So that is the reason why I'm doing this questions. Good job, Thomas. I like your answer. Next question. Reveal secret or keep forever? My question is secret a secret? Is secret even a secret? I would once want to have a debate on this. What do you think, guys? Should I do this session about secrets? What are secrets and why people cannot hold back on secrets?
Please, could you repeat your question?
No, everyone are responding in the chat. Sani, we were just doing some basic psychological test on human behavior. Yeah, that's all. Depends on the secret if it brings harm to person sharing the secret others than revealing secret. Yeah, true. Alright, sure, Salar, take care. Alright, who responded? I gifted, right? Okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Yes. Next question. Hi, Somesh. Come up. We're talking about some interesting facts. After these questions, we'll get into the real-time scenario-based questions, guys, so we all can discuss on a different level. Okay? I hope it's very exciting for you. As I open my voice room a little late, this voice room will go for a little longer than usual. So be ready, guys. Next question. Choose peace, choose truth. What would you choose? Why? Thomas is very fast at texting. Thomas, have you worked on your keyboard skills? No reason, just peace. Okay, next question. Choose closer, choose mystery. What would you choose? Nice. Choose closer or choose mystery. Guys, if you will answer faster than Thomas, I'll give you